Alrighty, we get quite a few customers that ask us about the Holley digital dash. Kind of give you a little preview of here what we do and stuff. So this particular customer is airboat customer. So what we do is basically he wanted a digital dash, and we go ahead and configure it to the, what he wants and stuff. This one here has got oil pressure, fuel pressure, RPM, oil temp, and water temp. So what we did is modify the oil pan down here for a bung. Put the temp sender down there, wire it all in for them and everything. So it's a pretty handy little tool. It just has just an abundance of information it gathers, and a couple of interesting things you can do. You can do like TPS versus RPM, throttle position, and GPS. So if you make a change via your airboat or car or something of that nature, you can kind of determine whether it's good, bad, or different on looking at that data. So pretty helpful tool. You can tune up with it, things of that nature. So just do fuel economy runs, TPS versus fuel flow, just a lot of stuff. So what we'll do now is we'll fire it up and you can see it work. Alrighty, another interesting thing we discovered when we were hooking this one up is see this little transducer down here for the oil pressure. We mounted that on the motor and had a variance in the oil pressure reading. Our dyno acquisition system showed us that it was fairly stable. So we took it and isolated it from the engine with the line and stuff and calmed it right down. So those sensors are so sensitive, it was actually transmitting the harmonics from the engine to the reading. So just FYI, if you do put it in, you might want to keep that in mind and do not mount it directly onto the motor if all possible. So if you need a system, just give us a holler here at Prestige Motorsports. We'll kind of set it up for you, run it. Have a great day.